Trying to run Windows on your Mac but tired of slow software, reboots, or messy setups? You're not alone, and there's a much easier way. I'm Emily, and in this video, I'll show you how to run Windows on macOS using Parallels Desktop, the fastest, most seamless way to run Windows apps on a Mac with no restart required. Students get 50% off, and everyone else still saves 35% through the link below. Just download Parallels, install it, and it will walk you step by step through setting up Windows 11. No tech skills needed. You can even download Windows during setup. Once installed, you can run apps like Excel, AutoCAD, or Visual Studio right alongside your Mac apps at the same time, smooth and lag-free. That's it. Windows and macOS together on one machine. Use the link in the description to grab Parallels with your discount. And don't forget a like, comment, and subscribe for more tips.